Hey there everybody, Aaron Rath here from Rat's Tesla. Today, quick video. I got some really cool things to add for if you want to change up the look of your center console area for my friends at EVbase. Super inexpensive. I'll put a link down in the description down below, and that way you can go and pick it up yourself. I also have a discount code that'll be down here on the screen, along with the website where you can buy it. And then in the description will be a link to this specific thing. So let's take a look at what we got today, and then let's quick install it, because it'll take literally like 3 minutes to install it. So let's get to it. Okay, so I've already unboxed it, and this is what it is. It's carbon fiber for the center console cover. And I gotta take out my cup holder. I just put it on because I wanted to see how it fit, and I'll tell you, it fits really nice. It's got good 3M tape to put on here, and then it fits on and lines up real nice. The one thing I do like is I've had these, and they won't slide underneath, and it affected how this door slid forward, and this one doesn't seem to do that. So I'm gonna quick peel, since I only have one hand and I can't peel this 3M tape off without using both hands. I'm gonna quick peel all this 3M tape off, and then we'll get the camera turned back on. Okay, so I have all the tape peeled off. That was probably the hardest part of the whole process. The nice thing about these from EVbase is they have ways to line up. I mean, they just drop in there. So if you see, I just put that in and it lays right around the cup holder, and then you can just press it into place. It's the super thin 3M tape, so it does a really good job not adding bulk to the whole thing. So just kind of go through and press it into place. And then this one has a place where you put your Tesla key card, and that way, you know, if someone's driving and they don't know where to put the key card, it really shows them where to do it. And then the same on the front. The front is super nice because it just lines up right over the little pull handle here. And once you have it in the right spot, just kind of press it down. You want to make sure that on the lips over here that you have it in the right spot, otherwise you're not going to be able to open it like I just did. So you got to kind of pop it back up and get it centered and underneath the edges here. Just going to kind of go around the edges and make sure it all goes underneath, and then once it's underneath, you can kind of push it into place and hold it in there for just a second, and it'll take a second or two for it to adhere, but once it does, it's on there very nice. And like I said, it doesn't impede the door from opening and closing. It still opens and closes, and then you can still use your cup holder. And I still have my cup holder insert in there, and works just fine. So that's our video for today. Super easy, just a simple way, a cheap way to change the look of your center console by putting some carbon fiber on there. Just looks real nice. Again, that'll do it for today's video. Super easy install from our friends at EVbase. As I said, link in the description down below. Make sure you use my discount code and get yourself 15% off. Thanks for watching. We do have some good videos coming up. I got some cool new products, and I want to talk a little bit about my yoke. I know I teased that in my last video, but we'll talk about the yoke, why I got rid of it. If you didn't see my last video on the new look carbon fiber that I put in, check that out. That's right here. And make sure that you hit the subscribe button right here. Subscribe to the channel, and that way you know what's coming up and you get to see the great videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.